Welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we're diving into something a little different for our Retro Unboxing series. I'll first look at the Airfix high-tech series. These kits were designed to step things up a notch with photo edge details and even pewter metal parts. And the subject for this one is the MiG-29 Fulcrum in 1/72 scale. Now what makes this boxing special for us is that it's actually complete, which is pretty rare when we go back through the Airfix archives. Opening it up, the first thing you notice are the sprues. They're on the larger side and moulded in that thinner plastic Airfix used at the time. Personally, I don't think it feels quite as solid as the thicker plastic we see in later toolings, but the parts themselves look very crisp with hardly any flash to worry about. There are plenty of small parts too, so this is one of those builds that will definitely keep you busy. Looking closer, you can see some minor cleanup needed on the tiniest details, but overall the moulding holds up pretty well. Next we've got the decals, and these look excellent. Lots of tiny stencils and markings, which many modelers might choose to ignore, but if you're a perfectionist, you're in for some serious decal time. Now onto what really makes this kit different, the photo etched parts. They're pretty small, but they'll add some fantastic detail, especially inside the cockpit. And then there are the pewter parts, just 5 in total, but still very cool to see. Even though they're small, they'll definitely give your finished build a bit of extra weight and realism. So that was the MiG-29 Fulcrum High-Tech Edition. A complete kit, crisp moulding, plenty of detail options, and those nice little extras with the etch and pewter. But here's the big question. Would you like to see Airfix include more photo etch or metal parts straight in the box? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this episode of Retro Unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.